Sometimes we think of environmental remediation as an inherently good process that's cleaning up the environment. But a lot of the time there's unintended consequences. We may be impacting the groundwater and soil availability at a site for recharge. We may be impacting local communities with additional truck traffic if we're disposing of soil. We may be imposing a long-term remediation system on a site that's going to exist for 30 years and makes that site, that land, unavailable for reuse, as a tax base for the community. And so there's things that we don't typically think about in a common regulatory framework, but they're important to consider for the long-term use of a site. So at Geosyntec, we have a wide range of tools and expertise that allow us to quantify environmental impacts from remediation. Those tools allow us to incorporate a lot of these externalities of our remediation work and put it all at the forefront of a decision-making process that allows our clients to make more informed decisions. We've worked with a lot of clients to develop sustainable remediation programs for their portfolio of sites. We've developed site-specific frameworks. We've worked on cutting-edge projects where clients need to reach certain ESG goals and emission reductions and helping them develop those reduction strategies. And we collaborate across our practices. We have our groundwater action group. We have our environmental management practice, our energy transition practice, that we can collaborate and help our clients develop a decarbonization strategy and minimize those impacts from remediation.